Gourmet Guru page. Welcome back to another episode, which is actually one of our most highly requested, and that is Molten chocolate cake, inspired by the Food and Wine magazine.
This chocolate cake recipe is very moist and really melts in your mouth.
Yep. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification down below so you can get notified every time we post. And we'll be linking down below the recipe so you can do it yourself too. So, let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And while your oven's preheating, we're going to take a microwave-safe bowl and we're going to add about 81 grams of butter. And we're going to take 56 grams of dark chocolate because we don't like it too sweet. So we're going to stick that in the microwave for about a minute at the highest heat with the microwave cover just to make sure that it doesn't make a mess inside. We're going to mix it until all of the chocolate is dissolved and you get a smooth consistency. We can now prepare our egg mixture. So with our egg mixture, you're going to take a bowl and you're going to add one whole egg and an egg yolk, and about 30 grams of sugar, granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. And you're gonna mix that, or beat it rather, with a wire whisk until you get a thick and pale mixture. And now that that's done, we can incorporate both mixtures together.
Okay, so now we're going to mix together the egg mixture and the chocolate mixture. Just pour that in and try to incorporate it. And then we'll add the sifted flour, 1 tablespoon. Mix that. And then we can add the coffee and a liqueur or any other flavoring that you would like to add. Coffee is really good with chocolate because it heightens the chocolate flavor. Alright, so when that's all mixed up, it's just a simple matter of pouring all this chocolate goodness into 4 ramekins. These need to be well and very generously buttered. So we just pour it in. We have a very nice bowl that has a spout. And just pour that in. Okay. Then we put it on a pan. Put this in our preheated oven. So this bakes for 4 minutes or until you notice that the sides are beginning to form. We want to preserve the molten goodness inside, okay? Okay, now that the ramekins are out of the oven, allow them to cool on a rack for a minute or 2 or until you can see that the cakes are pulling away from the walls of the ramekin. Release it with a spatula or a knife. Go all the way around. Take a plate. Put it on top of the ramekin and flip it. And serve immediately with ice cream, vanilla, or you can serve it later, but keep it at room temperature to preserve that molten goodness.